This is a carry-on luggage. The handle won't pull up. The handle is still not pulling up. In here you got 2 tracks. This one here, it's got a zipper on it. I'll undo the zipper and I'll show you. See the pins right here? If you push the pins in, see this pin isn't working, and but if you hold it with your finger, so you can pull it, so you can pull it up. It's not quite high enough yet. Just run your finger along there. Okay, it's got an inside track. I've got it up a little bit here. And I only have it about halfway up. And it's still not going far enough here. Oh, that'd be frustrating if you were just boarding a plane and you couldn't get your handle down for the overhead bin. There's actually 4 screws under here. Take all 4 off. Now I got 2 on the back side. These are smaller than the other ones. The back side. Now if you want, you can just put the screws back here or mark them. The 4 longer ones were from in here. The 2 shorter ones are there. And there's the handle. Not much to it. And you got these 2 lines. Something is not working properly in the handle, so I'm going to have to take the handle apart. Screw in there, one in there, and I'll take it apart and have a look. Unscrew it. I wonder if there's something broken in there. There's 2 screws, and this opens up. It's broken. I wonder if we crazy glue that, it'll actually work, or we can just work it with 1 pin. But anyway, that's the problem here. I'm wondering how long that crazy glue is going to last on that. And then the pin won't work anyway. Well, even if I glue that and it breaks again, we're going to be back to the same thing. So what I'm going to do is just put it back together, and I'm going to take one of these rods out, the rod on this side, and it'll only have one catch. Oh. We just can't put tape on this pin because there's another pin right there. So we'll have to take the track off. But I'm going to find which pin it is to do, either the left or the right. Now that we have the handle in place, we know it's the track on this side we have to fix up to not work again. So I'll put some tape here to make sure that it's this side. I undid the screw, and then the whole track should just pull right out now. I also put another piece of tape on the inside because there's a pin here, but I can reinforce this a little bit better with this here. This one. I took the grinder and grinded the pin out of there because there was no way to see it beyond that plastic because it caught there as well. So right now there's going to be one track working. I'm going to put back the handle. The locking mechanism, don't need that, but this side I do. And one screw on the bottom there and there. Got two screws now. There's quite a few different handles. This piece of luggage has two pins, one here and one right in there, and you can't get at it. So that's why I ground off the pin here on this side, because it latches here plus up in here, which you can't get to. So I could not tape it in there.